Hello everyone, welcome to Light Mode. You all would be thinking that what is going in your life? Your life is no more but a suspense thriller nowadays, especially if you are a job aspirant and you are jobless. So why I am saying this? The reason is everybody on YouTube is claiming that the X exam will happen on Y date and the joining will happen on Z date. See, nobody knows the exam date, nobody knows the result date, nobody knows the joining date. Everybody is just spreading rumors, and you don't have to believe on rumors. You have to work hard, you have to burn the midnight oil, because exams will happen. Why I'm saying exam will happen? The vacancies will be there because the retirements are happening. Banks are under immense pressure because of 20 lakh crores disbursed to them for the financial inclusion and all those crisis recovery what coronavirus has given to the India. So not all 20 lakh crore, but yes, major part will be channelized through the banks in the rural part of India as well as urban part of India. So yes, vacancies will be there, exam will be there, dates will be there, joining will happen, but don't trust on rumors. And we at Light Mode believe at leveraging your time. So we are coming up with a course in which we will not only help you in the preparation, we will guarantee your job in one of the government organization. And if you will not get a job, we will refund you back your money. So stay finger crossed for our that course, okay? And that course will not only help you to get a job, apart from that you will definitely get a job. So in this video, part 2 of quadratic equation, I will teach you how to fetch 5 easy mark within 2 minutes, and this is important for SBI PO, RRB PO, clerk, IBPS PO and clerk. So let's move. In the last video I have taught you a major concept in which -4 is less than -1. So you have not to commit the same mistake which Radio Pakistan committed and got trolled. Okay, so this is a major point which you have to consider while solving any quadratic equation question. In the next slide you can see I have covered the basics and all those Sridharacharya formula in the last video. So if you have not watched the last video, you can go on the right side of this video and click the link popping up, and in that you can see the quadratic equation trick, how I have mentioned all those things in the last video. Now I will take a couple of questions and I will ask you how you are going to solve these questions. So the first question is this. Now pause the video and try to solve this, okay? And let me know in the comment box how much minutes you took to solve this question. So pause it and comment in the box how much time you took to get the answer. Don't directly watch the video. Okay, so after pausing, I think you would have got the answer. How much time you took? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes? Oh, very bad. The time you should have took, it should not be more than 3 to 5 seconds. Now you would be thinking, what the hell I am talking about? See, if you sincerely see the both questions, in the first question, the format is 56x square minus 196x plus 1989. So minus and plus, the same equation has been followed. And if you have watched my first video, you know the both roots will be always positive. Both roots will be positive. In the next question, the format followed is this, and both roots will be always negative. So if I compare two positive number with two negative number, it will be always greater than another. So x greater than y, and by watching the question you can tick the answer within 2 to 3 seconds. So if you have took 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, then that's your mistake. You are following wrong course, wrong material. You need to switch, and that's why we are coming up with a course in which what we mean is to help you get a job, not only make your preparation a Panchvarshya Yojana, a 5-year plan which Planning Commission, now Niti Aayog, decides. Let's move to second question. Now again pause this video and solve this question and come back. So I know you are smart and this time you would have got the answer, but still if you haven't got the answer, let me explain it for you. The first question you can see plus minus, so the format is this. Always the roots will be minus and plus in this case. And the next question, the format is minus minus. Always the roots will be in this format, plus minus. You can swap it, plus minus or minus plus, whatever. So now when you will compare minus to plus, so minus is always less than plus, but this plus will be always greater than this minus. So wherever we get this sign, then what will happen? The answer will be C and D. So if you have watched my first video, you would be knowing that how these things are coming. Okay, so if you haven't watched my first video, go and watch the first video uploaded by Yagwal Kijoshi at LYT mode. Now next question is asked in SBI PO 2019 and no trick will work in this question, so we have to solve this question. Now 77 into 15, that's a huge number, that's a tricky question. So what we will do is we will follow factorization trick, in which I will factorize 15, which is 3 into 5, and 77, which is 11 into 7. Now I will pick couple of numbers and try to set it in such a way that I get the addition as 68 and the multiplication at 77 into 15. So the multiplication of this with this will always be 77 into 15, but the addition should be 68. So what's the case? 11 into 3, 33, plus 7 into 5, 35. So yes, 33 plus 35 is 68. So I have got the factors. Now 33 upon 15 and 35 upon 15, because we have to divide it by the coefficient of x square. Now we know the plus plus sign question will always have minus minus coefficients. Okay, so the roots will be always negative, and if you have watched my Vedic maths videos, you can calculate it easily. 15 2s are 30, so minus 2 point, what's left? 3, so again 2.2, and this is minus 15 2s are 30, 0.5 is left, 3, and again 45, 50 minus 45, 5 is the remainder, so I can divide and get minus 2.34. So I have got the roots of x. Now we will quickly jump to the y square equation, and the factorization of 3 is 3 into 1, and the factorization of 68 is 2, 34, 68 divided by 2, 34, 34 divided by 2, 17, so 17 is a prime number. So 3 into 1, 2 into 2 into, now I will directly break it into two parts. So the first part is 3 into 2 into 2, so 3 into 2 into 2 is 6 into 2, 12, and the second part is 17. 17 plus 12 is always 29. Again the roots will be in minus, as you know the trick, and I will divide it by the coefficient, which is 3. So I will again get the two roots, first is minus 4 and second is minus 5.6. 3 into 15 and 2 is the remainder, so minus 5.67. So I have got the roots of y also. Now I will decide what's the answer is. So when I will compare this with this, again this with this. So minus 2.2 is greater than minus 4. I repeat, minus 2.2 is greater than minus 4.4. You don't have to be Radio Pakistan. Okay, if you don't understand, take a line graph, place it. Minus 2 will be here, minus 4 will be here. So minus 4 is always on the left side. Whatever number comes on the left side, that is always smaller than the number on the right side. Like here is 2, here is 4. So the left number 2 is always less than 4. Similarly, this is less than this. Okay, I think you have got this. So minus 2.2 is always greater than minus 4. Minus 2.2 is always greater than minus 5.67. Similarly, minus 2.34 is greater than minus 4. Minus 2.34 is greater than minus 5.67. So our answer is x greater than y. So this is the answer. Let's move to the second question. I know you have got the trick. Now I will solve this question very fast using that trick. So if you think that the video is fast, you can adjust the playback speed according to your mental speed, because what happens is, if you want to score more number in the exam, you have to use less pen and paper. Here I am using pen and paper because I have to teach you. If I will solve these questions in the exam, I will use minimal paper and pen, then only I will be able to score maximum marks in the exam. Coming back to the question, this question was asked in IBPS PO 2019. So again I will use the factorization method. 14 can be factorized into 2 into 7, and 24 can be factorized into 2, 12, 6, 3 and 3. So 3 into 2, 6, 12, 24. So what I will pick is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, even numbers. 2 दूनी 4, 8, 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. And the second is 7 into 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. Okay. So I have got the two factors. Now I will divide it by the original coefficient 14 and 14. And from the question I know both the roots will be positive. So first positive root I know is 8 upon 7. I have divided it by 2. Okay, I have divided by 2, and now the calculation is 1.14. 7 when divided 8 when divided by 7 is plus 1.14. Now again 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 24, and the root is 1.5. again it's positive. So we have got the roots of x plus 1.14 and plus 1.5. Firstly I will find the root of y square equation. The first 28, the factorization of 28 will be 2, 14, 7, 7. So this is the factorization. 24th factorization I have done here, so I will leverage my time. Firstly I will take the even number. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 34, 32. So 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 7 3 ja 21. So I am getting 32 plus 21 is equal to 53, right? Here also we were getting 16 plus 21 is equal to 37, right? So 32 upon 28 and 21 upon 28. Sign will be positive because the question is in minus plus format. You know this. And firstly I will divide it by 4. So it's 8 upon 7, and here I will divide it by 7. So 3 upon 4. So it's 3 upon 4. So 8 upon 7 is again 1.14, and 3 upon 4 is 0.75. So we have got the two roots of y as well, 1.14 and 0.75. So now I have to compare this number with this number. So I will compare 1.14 from 1.14. So it's equal to 1.14 greater than 0.75, again 1.45 greater than 1.14, and 1.5 greater than 1.75. So it's always greater than equal to y. So I will say that x is greater than equals to y. So you can see how using the factorization method we can solve easily these tricky questions. Now I am putting few 5-6 questions for practice for all of you. Do practice it just after watching the video, and do comment like how much time you took to solve these questions. If you took more than 30 seconds or 1 minute in any of the question, I will again teach you a trick how to solve such questions. And if you want 200 plus practice questions, then do join our Telegram group, and the description is there in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video. And mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations and algorithms. It's about understanding. If you love maths, maths will love you back, and the parameter of love will be greater than anybody who loves you in your real life except your parents. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, do subscribe us and mark the ring bell so that you don't miss the further videos and math trick which will help you in any exam with minimal efforts, because we at LYT Mode, what we mean is to leverage your time. And if you have any question, do mail us at hi@lytmodin, because SBI, SEBI, RBI, RRB PO clerk, IBPS PO clerk, any exam, we have the materials ready for you and we will help you in those. So do join us at the Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever places we are, and the description is in the comment box. So thank you for watching the video. God bless you all.